Hi everybody, this is Funny Guy here with another episode. And yes, this is me, and I am the head of the Night Fury Toothless. I am the head of the Night Fury Toothless. I am toothless. And frankly, it is not easy being toothless. Just because they cannot speak English, Hiccup takes advantage of me. He thinks I say whatever he says in his mind. Yeah this, yeah that. Come on, let's go do this, bud. I don't like being called bud, you know. I have a name. And my name's not even Toothless. It's Max. Max. Why does he call me Toothless? It doesn't make any sense. I have so much teeth and he calls me Toothless. It's just so annoying living with him. He just says whatever comes to his mind. Yeah, bud, you said this? Yeah, I agree with you. You don't even know what I'm saying. If I could speak English to him right now, I'll say, I quit, I'll fly off. I know where my family is. I just can't fly because he shot me down with a net.